Have you ever wondered why the east of South Africa rains way more than the west of South Africa? Well, there's one factor. In the Western Cape, there's this cold, dry air that blows, and it's this current that comes from the Atlantic Ocean. It does not blow enough moisture, and it blows away all that moisture, and it rains less this side of the Western Cape. But east of South Africa is got lots of moisture. It's part of the Indian Sea. So it blows that moisture. There's that Indian Sea and that Indian Pacific Ocean wind, and all that moisture is blowing into the east of South Africa. That is why the east of South Africa has way more